Hey everyone, guess what? This is Kevin Conkle, and I got something really new. But I'm not going to show you yet. I'll save it for last. So, here we go from System Test 4, I think. Or 5, I don't know what it is. Either 4 or 5. Doesn't matter. There's a plug. I have to do the charger again. But that's okay. The plug. Right there is my pull station. Our strobes and horn over there, the other pull station. And here it comes. Yeah. Me and Dad finally got a fire alarm control panel. See? Power slash strobes. This is the power slash the strobes, and this is the horn. I'll demonstrate it a little bit. So, yeah. There's our D-bar. And let me... Okay, then stop the video. Come over here. Right here, I got my notifier by Honeywell engine. These keys ready. Okay, so we're gonna do it. So 3, 2, 1. Now watch this. You get horn, right? But watch. Off. You just still get strobes. No horn. That is neat, huh? See? Horn. Takes a while. Takes like 5 seconds to do it. See? Get that on. Give me the keys to reset this. As soon as you reset this pull station, okay, I'm going to do it now. There we go. Now it has a trouble lock. Means that I can't... the lock is like messed up a little, so that's why you gotta like squeeze it to turn the lock. But yeah. Anyway, this will be here soon on the wall. It's gonna be my new lock. Yippee, that thing came out of it. Oh, clamp holder. Ooh, Pepsi. Ooh, it's cold. I'm gonna open it. Get a drink. Celebrate. I got it for celebrating a new pedal. See? Good Pepsi. Alright. Now, as soon as that's reset, you can put the horn back on. I'm going to lock it this time to show you how it's locked. Ooh! I just dropped the keys. So the new keys. See that new key? The panel. Oh. Yeah, this one has trouble lock too. Sad news, but okay, let's pull this one. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to yep. And we're going to see? Just the wires for the panel. It's new. It's doorbell wire. That's the only cheapest wire we can get from Home Depot. So yeah, I got the wire for Home Depot. But I got the switches from Lowe's. I got the panel from Office Max. It was a money panel, but now it was a money trip, and made that turn into a panel. Hey, you can see the little wire net. There's some wire, doorbell wire. Stick that back in there. You can see the wires. Oh, so there's a reset. We can put the horn back on. Yep. And before we leave, we always make sure we have to lock it, for us, just in case somebody comes and steals our switches. There we go. See? Locked. So that was System Test 4. And I'm going to explain the wiring. This wire was not here before, but now it's there. It's for silencing the horn. See? There's more wire. Alright, so I guess we're just going to do the strobes only this time. Horn off. I'm gonna keep it. Turn the horn on. Takes like, see, it takes 5 seconds. Yeah. Make sure the power's on first before flipping the horn, or else it kills it, see? Unless the power is on, then you can flip the horn on. Look, watch. See? That's the power. Boom. Got a new panel. I love it. I love it, people. I do love it. My first time having a control panel. So I guess I'm going to end the video and upload it now for my fans. Yeah, I'm going to have to put the camera there. There. Alright. So that was system test 4 with / new control panel. So that's it. See you later!